What's up guys, it's Jeffree Star, and guess what? I'm finally doing makeup tutorials. How long have you guys been telling me to do these? Probably, I don't know, 10 years. The look I'm gonna do for you guys today is a very signature Jeffree Star look. I have been wearing bright blue shadow ever since I can remember, and it's just one of my go-to colors. A lot of people scream and run away from it. I'm like, give me the blue. So today I wanted to do my little, Jeffree crying glitter effect with extreme highlight, really bold eyes, and give a little soft nude lip. So, hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a crazy blue glitter fantasy glam look today. So to start that, I like to put eyeshadow right under my brow and bring it almost all the way down my lid. So with that, I'm going to be using the Busy Art matte palette. This is the 01 Basic, so great. So I'm just going to take this really light color, it is the lightest one in the palette, and I'm going to pack that under my brow. Now when we get closer to the lid, I'm going to be using the second lightest nude shade and bringing it all the way down to basically my lash line. So a lot of people like to use primers. This is basically my primer. And we're going to bring it all the way to the tail of the brow and a little past it. Now next step is I'm going to take this Kat Von D eyeshadow from her Metal Crush collection. This is called Thunderstruck, and I love the shade. You can even use it as a highlighter. I'm going to pack this on my eyes. So with this MAC 210 brush, I'm going to pack on a lot of pigment, and I'm just going to take this color and I'm going to start blending it in the corners of my eye, and I'm going to bring it down like 30% for my eye. So not in the middle, but a full 30%. Now I'm going to take the same color and bring it to the top in case there's any fallout. I'm just going to lightly brush that away. We have what I like to call the base of the look down. Now I'm just going to jump right into it and take this bright blue eyeshadow called After Party from Sugarpill. I'm going to be blending out the blue with a really light blue from Anastasia called ICY. Now for this look, I'm going to be using a lot of different eye brushes. We got a lot going on here. So I will be starting with the Morphe 441 brush, and I'm going to be packing it on with this Chanel brush, number 19. And then I'm going to be blending it out a little bit with this Gucci brush, the blending number 20. Let's see what happens. Alright, now I'm going to be taking a MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to be blending the Sugarpill Blue with the Anastasia ICY, both on my brush, so I get a nice soft blend. Now you may notice that I blow a lot on the brushes. If I was doing someone else's makeup, blowing is prohibited unless they're paying you extra. But for real, I would only blow on my brushes because they are mine and I can. And it is to avoid a lot of fallout because I have all of this pretty foundation on. So if you see me going, that's exactly what I'm doing. I am blowing. Cool. Now I'm going to take the ICY shadow by itself and just kind of buff these edges. Now I'm going to take this Anastasia shadow in Star Cobalt, and I'm going to pack it on a little bit on my lid for some definition. And we're just packing. Alright, now we're going to go back to our blending brush, take a little bit more of that light blue on the bristles. And I'm just going to go over the dark so they all come together like besties. There we go. Now before I do the under eye, I'm going to add a little bit more of that Thunderstruck eyeshadow on top so we get a nice glowy blend of blues. Now we're going to move under the eyes. Now I'm just taking that same Morphe blender, and I didn't dip into the eyeshadow again. This is left over, so there's minimal fallout. I'm just gonna start blending the blue into this white gold shadow. I try to do as minimal as I can, so there is not a lot of shadow falling all over me. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to add some white liner into my waterline. Whenever I do bright colors, I love to add white because it really makes it pop. You look very artificial, if we will, and very doll-like. This is MAC's White Fascinating Liner. I'm just going to pull my skin down ever so gently, and I'm going to pack this in. Now, I love white liner. I've been using it since the 90s. It is just my go-to. It opens the eye, brightens, very different. It's a cool effect. And you see me go back and forth a lot, not because the product isn't good, but I like to really pack it in there so it is on all day. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to do some really dramatic lashes from one of my favorite brands, Flutter. This style is called Intoxicating, and they are big. I love these. Lashes really transform your entire look, I think. Now I'm going to coat my bottom and top lashes with mascara, and my favorite is the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I love the bristles. They are perfect for my eyes. Now this application does not have to be perfect since we are going to cover them. I just don't like when people put on lashes without any mascara and you can see their real human hair showing through, or it's just not the same color. Our lashes will never be as black, hence why there is mascara. So let's coat these thoroughly. Alright, now when I do lashes, I like to take the strip off, and of course I like to measure them to my eyes. So not everyone has crazy big lids to fit these lashes, so I've already pre-trimmed mine a little bit with a little bit of nail scissors. Now, since latex smells like a dirty vagina, I like to use non-latex glue from Duo. So this is the vegan version. So we're gonna make that tacky for a second. Now, sometimes I like to start in the middle and let go, so I'm gonna get up close and personal for a second. These are wow. See the difference of an eyelash? All right, lashes are done. All right, before I highlight, I'm gonna do a little Fix Plus. Refreshing, make sure my foundation is there. Now, I've been developing my own highlighters. They are coming out spring of 2016. So I have a new one. Now, the pan is gonna be a lot bigger than this, but this is one of the shades. It is called Deep Freeze, and it is a baby blue. My highlighters are very pigmented, so remember to not pack it on too crazy if it is a wild color. So I'm just gonna lightly dust in the pan, and I'm gonna be working it into the skin. Now, how come no one's done a blue highlighter before? I don't fucking know, but it was about time. Am I putting some options here, people? I'm getting bored. All right, now I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter with my MAC 252, and I'm just gonna lightly do a little bit under here. Lightly meaning intense in my world thinks. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter right on my cupid's bow and bring it down on my lip a tiny bit. So when I put on my lipstick, it really pops. Now I love to cry glitter, so I'm going to use Lit Cosmetics in Tinseltown for that effect. Now you don't need any glitter in here or anything. I just use my fingertip. That's it. And I take it right under my eye where I would cry, and I dab a little bit, and then I just drag it down over the highlight. All right, now we're gonna do lipstick, and we are done. Since my eyes and cheeks are so dramatic, I'm going to tone down the lip with using my own velour liquid lipstick in shade Celebrity Skin. This is a good everyday color. I'm just going to put it straight on. Voila! We are done. Alright guys, guys, that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on my highlighters, what colors you want me to make, and also what kind of looks you want me to do next. I know I have a lot of signature looks, so I want to go through them all and start creating and be inspired by you guys. So leave me some feedback in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.